In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use layout containers in a Tableau dashboard, focusing on both horizontal and vertical containers. If you're looking to organize your dashboard elements efficiently and neatly, containers can help you create a structured and visually appealing layout. So, let's dive in. First things first, launch the Tableau application. Once it's open, you'll want to access your worksheet. This is where you've gathered all your data and created your visualizations. The goal is to bring these elements into your dashboard smoothly. Look towards the bottom left of your Tableau interface and locate the dashboard icon. Clicking this icon will open up a new dashboard where you'll begin the layout process. As you open the dashboard, you'll notice on the left side of the screen there's a menu. This menu is crucial as it contains the objects section we'll be working with. Here, you'll find everything you need to drag and drop onto your canvas, including your layout containers. Now, a little tip that'll make this process easier. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. This action ensures that when you're dragging elements onto the canvas, you can align them perfectly without the software trying to auto-fit them in perhaps an undesirable way. With the Shift key held down, drag a vertical or horizontal container onto your canvas. These containers are essential as they act as organizers for your dashboard, helping align and stack components like charts, images, or text. Once you've placed your main containers, you can add blank containers inside these horizontal or vertical containers. This additional layer gives you more flexibility in where you place subsequent elements. You can position these blank containers at the top, bottom, right, or left side of your main container, depending on the design you're aiming for. Furthermore, you can place multiple blank containers, perhaps 2 or more, to further segment your layout. Inside these blank containers, go ahead and place your sheets, which hold your data visualizations. Simply drag and drop them from the Objects menu onto the blank containers. This modular approach will keep your components neatly organized. After placing your sheets, customization is key. Click on the Layout tab to adjust the size, padding, or borders of your containers to perfectly fit your design aesthetic. Moreover, you can move these containers around by grabbing their handle, allowing you to adjust the entire layout easily. And there you have it, an organized and efficient way to use layout containers in a Tableau dashboard. By using these containers, you not only keep your dashboard looking clean and professional, but you also facilitate easier future updates as your data visualizations evolve. Thanks for tuning in and happy dashboard designing.